Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the organic gardening practice, a product that aroused my curiosity because it has many interesting and unique points. Through a thorough research on the product and gathered all the information I could find to share with you. I will do a full review based on its specifications, features, and real user reviews. I will show you everything there is to know about organic gardening, from its features to its advantages and disadvantages. If you are thinking about buying organic gardening practicality, or are simply curious about its features and performance, this video is for you. Let's go! Organic Gardening Practicality is an online course that teaches organic gardening techniques to people who want to create their own garden at home. The course covers a range of topics, including how to choose the best places to plant, how to prepare the soil, how to choose the right plants for each environment, and techniques for caring for and maintaining your garden. One of the main advantages of this course is that it is designed for people who have no previous gardening experience, making it accessible to beginners. In addition, the course covers organic gardening techniques, which means that the plants are grown without the use of pesticides or chemical fertilizers, which is healthier for both the plants and the people who will eat them. Another advantage of the course is that it is entirely online, allowing you to study and learn at your own pace. In addition, the course is sold at an affordable price, making it an affordable option for people who want to learn about organic gardening without spending a lot of money. It is very important to be careful where you go to buy the course, as it is only sold on the official site. To help you out, I have left the link to the official site below in the description of this video. Very important that you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any review videos about products that will really impact your life. However, it is important to remember that this course is not a substitute for hands-on gardening experience. While the course provides valuable and useful information, practice is essential to develop gardening skills. It is also important to note that creating an organic vegetable garden requires time, effort, and dedication, and it may take some time to see the desired results. Overall, if you are looking to learn organic gardening techniques and create your own home garden, the Practical Organic Gardening course may be an interesting option for you. One more reminder, leave your likes because that way I will know if you are enjoying the content here on the channel, and feel free to leave your feedback. Organic Gardening Practicality provides valuable and useful information at an affordable price, allowing you to learn at your own pace and without leaving home. Your guarantee is a full 60 days from the time of purchase, with a 100% refund if you are not satisfied with your purchase for any reason. Buy only from the official website, which is already here in the description, and if you are going to buy the product, follow the instructions. And if you want more videos about similar content, leave them here in the comments. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. Jesus loves you.